Hello everyone, myself Bharadwaj. In this video, I will discuss about advantages of Foundation Fieldbus. The Foundation Fieldbus was developed to overcome limitations of 4 to 20 milliamp analog systems. The Foundation Fieldbus is a digital communication network. One of the major advantages is it reduces the wiring because each trunk cable coming from the junction box carries easily 15 instruments data on a single one pair cable. If you have multiple number of junction boxes, then you have multiple trunk cables coming to the marshalling cabinet in the control room. Thus, it reduces the wiring. Also, in foundation field bus, multiple devices share a single communication cable, and this cable provides power supply to these devices and also provides communication medium between field devices and the control system, the same cable. Again, the number of IO cards also reduced. When the wiring is reduced, the cable trace, cable installation, and termination work is also reduces. That means you will save some amount of time and money during these installations. The next one is distributed control capability. This is nothing but control in field devices. You can use the PID controllers in the field devices like control valves. You can control the process loop from the field itself. The advantage is faster control response, reduced controller workload, higher system reliability. If there is some problem with the DCS controller, then the field controller will take care for some time until the controller is available online. Which controller? DCS controller. So you can distribute the control, and also it improves the system reliability. This is one of the powerful feature. The next one is device to device communication. We already discussed that you can exchange the data between field devices. Let's say your DCS system is down, or your controller is down, or some problem with the loop itself. Then this is very useful feature. You can enable the communication between the devices in the field itself, and you can maintain the plant. Remember, the device to device communication means both devices must be on the same network. That means both devices are connected to the same junction box. It may be connected to different fieldbus barriers inside the junction box, no issue, but it must be connected to the same junction box. All these devices must be on the same network, on the same segment, or on the same trunk cable. Next one, advanced diagnostics. We know that we have diagnostic module available on the Fieldbus Power Hub. With the help of the diagnostic module, you can get so many parameters: bus status, communication status, your network status, okay, noise, other errors. You can see the details inside the diagnostics. Also, each Fieldbus instrument have inbuilt diagnostics tab. Okay, if you connect your heart communicator, you can find the diagnostics related option. If you go there, you will get so many parameters, including each and every sensor of your device. In your field instrument, there are so many diagnostics information available like device status, sensor health, calibration condition, any drift is there or any deviation is there, everything you can find in the diagnostics feature. You can connect your heart communicator and you can see these details, or you can view from your control room if you have plant resource manager in Yokogawa systems. So this enables predictive maintenance and early fault detection. So this is very important. The next one is simplified device configuration. Yeah, you can do the configuration and calibration of field devices from the remote, from the control system itself. You can do device parameters configuration, control loops tuning, you can run diagnostics, you can check your alarms of your field device. You can get so many options in the foundation field bus when you compare with smart transmitters based on 4 to 20 milliampere output. Next one, improved system reliability. We already discussed that the control logic can be implemented in multiple devices. We can implement this control logic in your field devices itself. Thus, it improves the system reliability. If the DCS temporarily loses communication, the field devices can execute the control functions without depending on your DCS system. Local loops can continue operating. This is a backup purpose. Generally, we do not use it for a main communication purpose, but this is a backup point of it is very helpful. So this increases process availability or system availability and plant safety, right? Next one, lower life cycle cost. So remember, the FF systems, FF devices are costlier and the initial investment is high when compared to 4 to 20 milliamp based systems. But if you consider the complete life cycle, then the FF systems reduces the overall plant life cycle cost. Now, for example, reduced wiring, less manual maintenance, faster troubleshooting using diagnostics. So this can be advantage only if you know what you're doing. You must be well trained, then only you can do the faster troubleshooting. Okay, and it provides predictive maintenance capabilities, better process optimization. Foundation Fieldbus allows access to multiple process variables and diagnostic parameters from each device. We can also monitor the sensor drift, valve performance, process stability. This helps improve process efficiency and production quality. See, these are a little bit all related, but the point of view is a little bit changed. Okay. See, these are all related, the advantages. But here we're talking about process optimization, and previously we were talking about system reliability. These are all a little bit interdependent. Scalability and flexibility. See, the foundation field bus, we can easily expand. You can easily connect multiple devices, new devices. You can easily commission the new devices and you can easily do the configurations. So the new devices can be often added to an existing segment without major changes to wiring or control architecture. This is very true. You can add a new device to the existing segment, any junction box. That's it. There is no need to do any wiring changes. You just have to connect your field instrument to a empty slot on the field bus barrier inside the junction box. That's it. No need for any other wiring changes from the field to the control system. You just need to do some software changes, some configurations. That's it. Very, very easy. So this makes the system flexible for plant upgrades and expansions. That depends on the spare allocation and availability also. So what is the summary? Let's see. Reduced wiring. We know that it reduces lot of wiring. Digital communication. Because of digital communication, we have high accuracy and strong noise immunity. See, the strong noise immunity can be achieved with good installation practices only and good design practices only. Device to device communication is possible within the junction box. Distributed control. We can implement the control in the field itself. Advanced diagnostics. You can see a lot of healthiness status, each and every parameter. So many parameters are available inside the diagnostics. If possible, I will also show you one or two videos related to the foundation field bus internal options when you connect a hot communicator or when you access from your plant resource manager from the control system. It provides early fault detection. That means the predictive maintenance is possible, remote configuration is possible, lower life cycle cost. Remember, the initial investment is high with respect to the field instruments junction boxes. Okay, note this. It is the life cycle cost, not the initial investment. Improved process efficiency, yeah, better monitoring and control is possible. Easy system expansion. You can easily add new devices. You can connect your new devices to the junction boxes, and that's it. You just need to do some programming. So expansion is very, very easy. So this is all about the advantages of foundation field bus. Remember, some points, some advantages may be repetitive or may be interlinked. Well, thank you. Do like our videos, share our courses with your colleagues and friends. If you have any questions, please share with us. Thank you. Thank you for your support.